Hi guys, today is Sunday. I'm actually standing in the new extension of the Dubai Mall, which is the Dubai Mall Zabil extension. I'm here to try out one of the very good looking Instagrammable and the social media, hyped cafe, which is called as, I won't tell it right now. They make actually one of the best brownies. That's what they claim. At the same time, they also tell that they are actually taking these recipes. They try out different desserts from throughout the world, and they try to do a secret ingredient with their desserts and their drinks that they offer. So without any wait, let me take you and show you which place I'm going to be. Okay, so what is this one?
Angels fell in love. This is vegan. This is really good.
Angels Fell in Love. What a name. And this one?
A tiger bubble milk tea.
Okay.
We bought it from the originality of the tiger bubble. And we cook it every morning 2 hours. To
You
prepare
cook.
this.
Wow. So you cook it every day 2 hours in the morning to
Yes.
prepare this. This is called Tiger Bubble
Tiger bubble milk tea.
Milk Tea. Okay. What is inside it? What is the speciality? Secret ingredient?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Jenny, I think you are the supervisor here as well. So Jenny is the supervisor of the Choco Paris as well. Tell me something, Jenny. Okay, you can place it so then we will just
Cocoa brownie.
cocoa brownie.
Like moist and no need of ice.
This is, I have heard that you guys make one of the best brownies in UAE, correct? Okay. So they have, like I gave an introduction saying that you guys have the best brownie in the world. Before we get into the dishes, I wanted to know what is this concept of Coco Paris?
Cocoa Paris is like a Japanese and French style.
Okay.
All about our pastries, all about Japanese and French style.
Okay, so it's a complete fusion of Japanese and the French pastries basically. Yeah. So they have come up with this concept. This is pretty new here in the. Okay, how old this shop is here now in Dubai?
It's almost 1 year.
1 year now. Okay. So it's 1 year now. Okay. This is located in the central of the Zabil entrance, and there's a beautiful outdoor seating as well, right? And the weather is getting now nicer, so people can come and they can see the other side of the Dubai Mall as well, Jenny. What else do you offer in your cafe apart from the desserts and from the drinks?
We have also coffee, we have lunch and dinner.
You have the lunch and dinner, breakfast as well. Okay. From what time to what time is the breakfast served?
The breakfast, it depends on which breakfast we're eating.
Okay.
We have the whole day breakfast.
Okay.
We also have the breakfast only in the morning until 12.
Okay.
One.
So they have two different kind of breakfast that they serve. One is like in the morning, which is until 12, and then they have the all-day breakfast, which might be in light, munching, sandwiches and stuff like that. Very nice. So I'm definitely gonna. What should I try first, Jenny?
I'll try to sip like a little.
This one first. Okay, I'll take a sip of this one, then I'll take a sip of that, and I'll let you know. I'm so excited. Let's see. So this one is their Angels Fallen. I think they don't have it yet on their menu. So this is going to be the first of a kind that I'm trying this kind of a drink, which they are calling it also vegan. As you all know that I am in completely using the products as well, which is organic vegan. And if it is preservative free, what else do you want? So I'm gonna try and see. Very different taste, very refreshing. So there is this fruity punch of strawberry coming, very mildly sweet, and it's not very cold as well, but yet it gives you a very soothing and a refreshing taste. I like the way how you see the very light color at the end, which is the strawberry pulp, and they have used that vegan soda there. And it's very, very light, especially the weather is changing now, which is not very hot but not very cold as well. So something that could actually give your taste buds a little refreshing, at the same time subtle the sweetness as well. So this can be a good option for people who love sweet but yet very cautious about cutting down on sugar. I think that can be a good option. Good one. They don't have this yet in their menu. I've checked that. but this is their new addition because they keep on adding new stuff as per the trend and as per the experiment that they do. Now it's time for the Tiger bubble tea. I like the way how they have done this brass. This is brass? Yes, so this is a brass straw. Okay, and there you go. I am not a great fan of bubble tea, but we all know that it was invented from Taiwan. So they claim that the taste is put back in the drink, that they, make the bubble tea here. And after we have their bubble tea, we would never go to anywhere else other than coming to this place. So I'm going to try and see. Very soft bubbles, not chewy. That generally that's the reason I don't like taking the bubble tea, because of the chewiness. Although it's cold, but it's not very cold. So even in the cold weather you can have it. Exact amount of the milk is there. It has a different taste of a bit of chocolate, I think, which gives that mild bitterness in it. But at the same time, it gives that complete freshness of the milk added up with that bubble, so. Very nice. I could sit and finish this and I can still keep on talking about it because it's really, really, really nice. Okay, Jenny, so tell my followers why they should come to Coco Paris.
They should come to our shop because we are using organic, freshly, and we are doing the various different. We imported them outside of Dubai and also in the environment.
Yes, so this is more like a very girly. And all the girlfriends who has, like all of them who have like girlfriends, sisters, mother, I mean, this is something that will put your mood very light. I think all the girls across UAE should come here and try this place, especially if you're in Dubai. This is a must. Especially I love the vibe how it is. So like what Jenny mentioned, it's done 100% organic. They don't use any preservative or any of those kind, and they have import the high quality of the product. Like I was going through a little bit story about how your bubble tea is, where we all know that it was originated from Taiwan and they actually make it 2 hours prior in the morning, that fresh. Now it's the time to try their brownies. I'm gonna try this. It's very, very soft. You can see, but generally you don't find the brownies to be that soft. If you see, it's rich chocolate there. The top part is caramel, and I think they have added their secret sauce in it. So I'm gonna try a small bit of it along with this almond. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to say. You can see that my mouth is watering when I'm having it. I'm gonna dig in one more. Not sweet, although there is caramel on the top. Generally, when you have the caramel, you tend, not to take it because of the sweetness in the caramel. But here, it's tasting entirely different. I bake brownies at home as well. My sister bakes brownie. My husband says my sister bakes better than me. But this one, I'm sorry, is one of the best brownies I have ever had. And I'm sure he's gonna agree that. I have no words to tell. It's completely melted in the mouth. Exact number of sweetness, not too sweet, very subtle. The bitterness of the chocolate is there, along with the chocolate powder around that. The sauce, still with all that dressing on there, it has that very moist, gooey brownie melting in your mouth, and yet you tend to eat that again and again. So I put my hands down, guys, and I must tell that this is one of the best brownie that I've ever had. Who makes the best brownie? But this is very nice. I've had brownies across Dubai, but hands down, you guys have done very well. You see the teddy over there? Every girl's passion. I don't know what is it that we all love teddy bears. No matter how old we grow, we still love teddy bears. The best thing about this restaurant, my final and opinion review, is that first of all, this is a very Instagrammable place where you could take n number of pictures for your social media, for yourself, to share it among with your family. Second most important thing, this is a very girl themed cafe also. So if you have your girlfriends, or you want to take your sister in, or with your mother, anyone, I'm sure all of you are going to have a fab time over here. It doesn't mean that the men cannot come. It is also having a very nice cozy environment, so it can be good for a nice evening tea, or having a nice drinks, or just like a light brunch or sandwiches also. Now about the food that I tried. So basically we had a very quick bubble tea, and I had that Fallen in Love, Angels Have Fallen, that drink. Both of them were amazing. Both of them had their own different tastes. They were very refreshing, and the tastes were very different from normally when you go and have a drink just for the sake of having it. You could actually make it that they have made it with actual ingredients, without any preservatives, or without any soda or any other syrups and stuff like that, because it shows that how they have made it in home. Now coming to the highlight of the dessert that I had, which was the brownie. I must tell that this is one of the best brownie that I've ever had in Dubai. Because of the softness in the brownie, the taste that they have, the chocolate, every single thing outstood. So if you guys come here, no matter you're having sandwich, you're having coffee, tea, whatever you pick, make sure that you order at least one brownie and try it. For delivery, this currently they are only doing delivery through Careem and Deliveroo, that too only in the downtown area. So if you're around this area, you can order it, but I would recommend you have to come down to this place to try this place. And coming to the budget part of it, it's not very reasonable or pocket friendly, but yet sometimes you can come down and have a fun, and you could enjoy it. So you can give yourself that little treat. For that, Coco Paris is the place, which is located in the new extension of Zabeel Dubai Mall, and they have a beautiful Instagram. Do check that out. I've given all the details on my description box below. So that's for today. I enjoyed my Sunday, and if you guys have any other stories that you want me to bring it out, don't forget to DM or send us a message. We'll get back to you very soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye. God bless. Lots of love.